We may get a shower on Sunday, but in between, we're also going to have some breezy days as well, which is not, with all that dry air and the breeziness, that's not a good recipe. So, again, be careful here next month, 6 weeks or so, until we can start cranking out a little bit more in the way of rainfall, because the rest of this week will be dry. Mid to upper 40s, Crystal River to Brooksville. That's a shock to your system, isn't it? Walking out the door now, you got to grab the jackets. Mid 50s for my friends over in Lakeland. Good morning, Bartow. You're at 57. Back to the coast where Sarasota and Bradenton, both in the lower 60s. 40s across I-10 this morning, some 70s in South Florida. It's that north wind. When that front came through yesterday and that wind just kind of driving in from the north, the humidity levels way down now as a result of that. Now, dry air warms up quickly and it cools off quickly. So for the next day and a half or so, you're going to have these big swings in temperatures, right? The 40s and the 50s this morning, 80s this afternoon, back to the 50s tonight, back to the 80s tomorrow, and then it just warms up from there in general. Dry air, dew points in the 40s and 50s, so that's good. It feels refreshing outside. So we'll continue with this type of air mass for the rest of the week. This is not one of those, okay, dry on Tuesday, humid on Wednesday. No, it's going to stay dry the rest of the week, but it's also going to warm up. So you're going to have upper 80s by Thursday to go along with a lot of that drier air. Watch how dry it stays today, tomorrow. We'll stop it on Friday. Same thing, this brown, this yellow color, that's dry air just kind of hanging around, which means a lot of sunshine, a lot of warmth. And then over the weekend, here into Saturday into Sunday, maybe we can squeeze a front through with a quick shower. But at this point, that rain chance on Sunday is only about 30%. Today, the wall-to-wall sunshine, warm and dry, go from the 40s and the 50s to the 80s for your high temperatures. Cool and dry tonight. Our temps will go back in the 50s and 60s. And then for your Wednesday, partly cloudy and warm with a high temperature of around 85 degrees. That north wind, it doesn't help a lot with boating. Especially this time of the year, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots again today. 82 degrees the water temperature. 85 the air temperature tomorrow. Trio of upper 80s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So looking pretty good, okay?